My name is Arno Alban. I am a Jew. I was in Terezin, and I survived Terezin, Auschwitz, Birkenau, Gleiwitz, and Yavuz-Makel. And I am here. It was First of all, I have to congratulate all these people here for a magnificent job. It was fantastic. You know, it is part of my life. I was, as Michael said, I was a teacher, or father, or friend, counselor, brother, to 13-year-old boys. The Jewish government of Terezin gave me the responsibility to take care of these 13-year-old boys. It's like in this play, only I am not a play, I am real. And I was there almost 3 years with these children, and those who survived still are in touch with me. We are exchanging emails. When anything is in their family, they come over to see me. They celebrate my birthday, but there are very few. That's what happened. There were so many hundred who came through my hands, but they were coming and they were going. It's a pity that there are so little of it. It's a little group of them who survive. I really don't know what to tell you. You heard something about it here. That means we were 6 leaders of the young boys. The boys were between 10 years and 16 years, and were divided in 6 different places, all of them in a school. It was a school before the war. And we just did all our best, what we could do, just to make it easier for these boys to survive or to feel a little happy sometimes in a jail, because it was a jail. And really we succeeded, only this very sad thing that all the success was in vain. As I say, they were coming, but they were leaving. And they were leaving for Auschwitz, they were leaving for other camps, and they died. I don't know if you, when you come home, if you will remember what it was. Because what we need, we who were there, what we need, we want you to remember and to tell others. Because we, a few of us who are survivors, won't be here forever. And that what we are talking, that what we are explaining, what we are trying to say about the concentration camp, about those times, it shouldn't die. You are here, and that's your duty to continue to inform, because it was a terrible time, and as we say, it shouldn't come again, but we are not so sure. During the other Holocaust, I won't be part of it, but our future, we have to do everything that it doesn't happen in the future. Thank you for being here, thank you for listening to me, and this was great to be here. Thank you.